Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Christy. So today I want to show us how I made this not so regular egg sauce to be eaten with boiled white yam. So if you're a lover of yam, I'm very sure you're going to love this. Even if you don't love yam before now, just watch how I did this and it might just be your next favorite meal. So to my returning subscribers, I really want to thank you for always watching my videos. I love you. If this is your first time here, please do what, click on the subscribe button, like this video and drop me a comment. So for this recipe, we'll be needing some eggs, some onions, some spring onion, sliced tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, mixed veggies, seasoning cubes and some salt. Okay, so now let's begin cooking. Of course, vegetable oil, of course. So you get a pot, put it in the fire, add in your vegetable oil, not too much, not so little, so you'll be able to fry your vegetables very well. Then add in some salt. Once that gets hot, put in your onion and saute for 2 minutes. Add in your diced tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper and just fry that for like a minute before adding in your mixed veggies. Yeah, it's still frozen. It is best used while frozen, and fry that for some 2-3 minutes because you don't want to overcook your vegetables. Add in your seasoning cubes and give that some nice stir and allow to fry for an additional 2 minutes, and this is what you get. So then you beat your egg and pour it in evenly, just like this. After pouring, you use your spoon and just loosen that a bit and put in your spring onion lasting. Of course, you know I always use spring onion. Cover that and leave for 2 minutes. Come back to turn just so the uncooked parts will get some fire, and then after about a minute or two, this is what you have: well caked egg. Yeah, you achieve this cakey nature by covering the egg. After putting it swells up and it cakes. So now let's begin to prepare our yam. You get your yam and you cut them just like this, slice them, peel them, and you get them ready to be cooked. So if you've watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, just want to beg you to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and engage me in the comment section. So this is just how I slice my yam. I like cutting it in cubes just like this. Now repeat it for the whole yam until I'm done with that. Then I proceed to go cook my yam. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? What are you waiting for? Yep, so we're done with peeling our yams and removing every blemish. I'll go ahead to wash it to be sure that all dirt are off the yam. Set your pot on the fire, add some water, and then transferring your yam into the pot. Add some salt to taste and cover that and allow to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. This is after 20 minutes. We want to check our yam, and then yep, it's soft and done, ready to be eaten. Oh my god, I love yams a lot. So you can put that aside and then sieve the water out of the yam so it doesn't get too soggy. Yes, and here you go, your yam is ready to be paired with the sauce, and just want to go ahead to serve it. And this was how I served mine, and I totally enjoyed my meal. I want you to try this and let me know when you do so, or let me know if you'll be trying it. Just drop me a comment in the comment section. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. I love you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share with your friends. See you when next to see. Bye bye.